a red day, guys, a huge red day. But it is what it is. I haven't had a red day since almost 3 weeks ago. But yeah, now I had it. Across the evaluation accounts, I'm down $721, which I'm not proud of, but it's part of trading. I reached my mental stop, which is around $200 or $250 per account on the 50K evaluations. All of the accounts suffered. I downsized my risk. I took a couple of trades. I think I had one winner, but stop losses, all the way during the day. So it had to happen, and it's part of trading. So if you think that every day is a winner, you're obviously gonna end up in a very, very bad situation. But the main goal is to protect your capital, and that's what you always have to aim for, protecting your capital. So that's what I did today. I still saw some opportunities, but I didn't want to scalp. I didn't want to take more positions. The news really messed up the whole New York session. And anyway, guys, this is what we are talking about every single day on the streams. Let me show you what happened exactly on Nasdaq, because don't think I'm depressed or something. I know it's in the cards. So anyway, I had a trade here on London, and this was my best trade with a 2R, technically, almost. And after that, this short on Nasdaq, and after that I went to a short again. Now this wasn't the perfect one, took me out with a stop, and I had a long in the beginning of the New York kill zone, also took me out. This one took me out as well. Entered a short before the news, because I thought that we were gonna make a new low before the news. As you can see, when I entered, it was actually spiking down very good. I really like that, because I immediately entered there, but then it just took me out. So then we had the news, and I thought that the whole narrative is going to change, but it didn't. Took me out here. This trade I didn't take. I just closed the stream and I showed this to you guys. And this was the last on Nasdaq that took me out. I thought we were gonna go for the buy side to make a new all-time high, but it didn't. And also Russell had some bad entries for me. The same scenario. I was aiming for new highs. If we zoom out the Russell, I'm not going to do it now. On the 1 hour and 4 hour, we have relatively equal highs around 2097 to 2100. I thought we are going to get it. I went in once, went in twice, took me out. So that's negative 2R and negative 4. I don't even know how much anyways. Negative 2, 3, 4, 5, and I had almost 2R in the positive. But anyway, I was downsizing my positions $50 each on average. And so let me show you my results, how the accounts are doing. I mean, they could be inverse condition, but anyway, let me start with the Bulenox account. The Bulenox account is suffered a negative $180 loss as from yesterday. We're down to 51,747. The My Funded Futures account went down from 51,051 to 854. This is the biggest loss. Yeah, $197. The Apex account, the first one, which I started earlier, is down $181, back down to 941. And the second Apex account, which I just started recently, is down to $66. And somehow I guess it's because of connection lag issue or something, I don't know. It's down $163. So overall $721 down across all the evaluation accounts that I'm showing here on stream. I have founder account, I have other evaluation accounts. I'm not sharing those results. I'm copy trading them in different groups, but these accounts which I share on my YouTube, these are down like this. So anyway, there's not too much to talk about it. I mean, it is what it is. It's trading, guys. There's going to be losing days, losing weeks, even losing months. So we're just moving on, and that's it. And again, if you look back my videos, you will see that basically since I'm doing the daily recaps, this is the first video when I'm having I have to tell you that I had a loss. So that's it. Okay, guys, see you in the London session tomorrow. It's gonna be Friday, but it was still something to learn from, and that's it. Thank you so much for being in the streams, and check out the discount codes. Subscribe to the Discord, and what else? Just subscribe and like, because we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you again, and see you guys on the next one.